All right, you guys, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. This is gonna be a one-take wonder, I hope. I gotta get rid of my candy first. Yeah, so anyway, take two. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. I got rid of the candy in my mouth, so that's not gonna distract us. I've been working on a new camp trailer for the side-by-side, a new little Squaredrop trailer. So I'm ready to share some of it with you guys. So check it out right here, and let me know what you think. Back hatch. Got a gas strut set up on there. And I've got this set up to where it can run off of the Lion Energy. I'm gonna turn the power on, turn some lights on. So you can see right here, I'm getting ready to build up some cupboards. That's what's going right there, cupboards. And then down here I got, this is just gonna be storage back here. And I have the AK-40 kitchen right there. That's gonna mount to the side of the trailer. And then all this back here is gonna be storage. Up here will be some cabinets. And yeah, the back of it's looking sweet. This light's not hooked up yet, but that will illuminate everything behind here. And there's wires. There's gonna be a battery panel that sits about right here in the middle. Not a battery panel, a switch panel and a monitoring panel. Anyway, there's gonna be a panel that right there with doodads in it. So you guys check out these moldings. Oh man, those rivets just look sick on there. Ordered some real RV moldings this time, and woo, it's looking good. Let's check out the inside. I got a real RV door on this one. It's pro. So check out this, lights on the outside. Yeah, that's looking good. And inside lights, I got one more piece of trim to put up down here, up here, and one piece of trim to put down there. And then I'm gonna build some cabinet doors. But check that out, I took the trim and carried it from the outside to the inside. Yeah! And got a window, got lights on both sides, got a fan, roof vent, and the door has a screen and it closes nice and tight. Got the same thing with the moldings up here. Check this out, you guys. Woo! Those moldings just look sick. So anyway, I'm gonna be able to run this with a battery that's gonna sit right here on the front of the trailer, or it'll be able to be ran with that Lion Energy. So, man, you guys check it out. I shouldn't do this, but I want to share this with you guys. I was gonna wait to pull this off till the very end, but we gotta get a full view. I'm sharing this because you guys are awesome and I appreciate your support. So, woo! Give us a like, give us a subscribe to see this little trailer in action. And yeah, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. We'll check you on the next one.